Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Telegram notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to see those Telegram messages or updates on your iPhone. How do you actually turn them off? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first open up your settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down to where it says notifications and click on it. Next, you want to scroll all the way down until you find your Telegram app. So Telegram is this blue and white icon here. So click on your Telegram app. And then next on this page here, you want to see that the allow notifications is turned off. So your notifications settings might look like this where it's highlighted green. Go ahead and click on that toggle button and it'll be turned off. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off Telegram notifications on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.